Hiya, crafty folks. Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I have a funny punny cat card to share with you. So I have a couple colors here, Juniper Mist and Daydream from 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝘀. I have a couple smattering implements, but I didn't actually end up using the black one. And I have this fabulous new star of the show. This is a stencil from the July release at a Colorful Life Designs. A bunch of cat silhouettes, super cute. Here's the card. Let's jump right in on how I made it. So simple ink blending, nothing too exciting here. You can use 𝗵𝗃𝐶𝑖 spray to hold it down. I didn't. I was being lazy. I was just trying to be careful, and I did surprisingly well. So I consciously tried not to come at it like a lumberjack and lift up all the cute little bits and bobs here, the little tails and ears and things like that. I'm going to speed it up, but you saw how slow I was going initially. I'm starting with the darkest color. Actually, no, that's not correct. I'm starting with Daydream, coming heavy-handed around the edge, going lighter-handed towards the center, and then I will come in again with the darkest color around the edges. So I was feeling like, even though this is called cat ball stencil, I was feeling like I was picturing in a well, random, I know, like looking upward and seeing a bunch of cats looking down into said hole with like a skyscape. Now, I know if it were true, it would be like black silhouette, but I'm working on white cardstock, so you get the gist. But this was my vision, okay? And I thought it was super cute, and I kind of love that this design does a little number on your brain. Like, you have to think and like look at the positive and negative space to see what it is, because it just kind of looks like a strange design if you just glance at it. Anyway, you'll see what I mean when I slow down and you can see the design. But I did sort of a skyscape like I wanted, and then I'm using this white, I forgot what it's called. I'll link it below. P.H. Martin something or another, I think. Anyway, I'm using a little bit of it on my block. I added some, I think, shimmery water. Yeah, I used shimmery water that had some like extra mica in it to thin it out, and then I used a toothbrush just to do that smattering to make it look like a sky full of stars. And then I'm just using the actual sprayer part with some more water to activate the paint and kind of get that reaction for some bigger blobs. And it's so fun, but I do realize that some liquid got under and kind of messed up a spot towards the bottom there, but have no fear. I will show you how I fixed it. Now I decided I wanted to cut it out, and did you see I grabbed the exact perfect size off that nesting die set? I grabbed the exact one first try. I was very impressed with myself. Anyway, I gave just a tiny little border around it, which is what I wanted, so I'm just carefully lining it up. I'm going to cut this out in a perfect circle, so this will do two things. It'll allow me to kind of zhuzh up the card and do some extra fancy things, which you'll see. But also, by cutting it out, it allows me to kind of turn the composition. So I'm going to be able to use my sentiment where I want it to cover up my mistakes. See that? So I could turn it and then put favorite person covering the blob where I messed it up. So this is a 𝗵𝗲𝗃𝗃 cute little critter cat stamp, which sadly I'm sure is discontinued, but if I can find it somewhere, I will link it. And I'm going to use this embossing folder, super cool, to create a panel to give it some visual interest. So I cut down that panel. It's nearly, it may be exactly A2 size. I used, I believe, I'm trying to remember, LDRS die to give it a cool finished edge, and that diamond stars embossing and that blingage, which you can also get in the shop. Put it all together, and there you go. You're my favorite person. And I stamped it with my custom stamp. And that's going to finish the card. So it popped up the little round panel with some 1 millimeter thick, 1 inch wide foam tape from scrapbook.com. And that's going to finish the card. So everything's linked below. Be sure to use my coupon AmyFan10. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you next time.